Hello everyone, welcome to the third day of Daily Bug Bounty Challenge. This is Ali, and let's get back to the work. Before I start, let me show you what we're gonna do today. Today we're going to check the thexrecon tool, then dip into the dorking, add in here, but as a summary, we tell this. After that, continue on hunting, read a blog post that maybe will helpful. Hunting, continue hunting. In this step, we're going to train and work on my methodology and going to enhance uh, this methodology and work on the whole steps of recon. Let me tell you in this way. We're going to structure struct, struct the recon specific wide recon, see what happened, and this this is cool. So let's get back in here. So as I tell you, we going to start with this. Okay, open up Chromium. I should take a look at the time, and okay, the thexrecon, cool. Okay, as you remember, yesterday we trying to install on this machine, but it not worked that way, and we connect to the SSH spam finger. Remember, I should remember this server and tell you how is it, how I use this free service. Let me show you now. If we click and okay, okay. Segfault is this possible root server that is free Kali Linux that is great for the test. As you can see, it is a dedicated root server for every user, pre-installed tools on Kali Linux. This is the outgoing routed and have reverse TCP UDP port and support onion for excuse me and encrypted DNS traffic, sorry, encrypted storage, as you can see. The process of use this via SSH is so simple. You just need, let me show you here. You just need to enter SSH root @ segfault That's it. The password is segfault and on. They banned their shit. Connecting from segfault to segfault is disabled. Okay. Okay, we got banned. This is what we used. Let's check today the thexrecon ls cd template and ls cd thexrecon ls and the program, and we only add this domain and okay, run this tool properly, and as you can see, this is the script. Now let's go to the to see what is the process. This is the modules I use in this script, as you can see. And if we go to the here, multiple data sources, you should know that this is passive subdomain discovery. And okay, we found subdomains. Now for check these subdomains, we only need two subdomains, just it, scuba.com.txt, and this is the subdomains. And as you can see, some modification needed in here. Oh shit. Okay, then we should, and let's check, let's modify this now or not. Not. So let me not in here. Okay. Some modification need in the output. For tomorrow I'm going to fix this. And that's it. This tool is used this. So when we arrive to this point and use these tools, after we find this, we need to name resolution to find out the live subdomains. How we should do that? Let's check. ls, we back in the in here, cd desktop and ls cd just ls and make directory and live subs, cd live subs ls, and in here we're going to cat bot. For this we need template and the thexrecon and add this. Okay. As you can see, this show us correctly. I should do this in here. Sort dash u. Let's check. Okay, I think this is the correct one. So I think we should change the entire process. So at first we go to dnsx GitHub, and then in the GitHub we're going to install it and copy. So in meanwhile, I'm going to fix the error that we see in the output. So let's push the project to the git push, and okay, I'm sorry git. So let's to pull to get the latest. As you can see in here, if we ls program, just it cd programs ls get just it back ls cd subdomains ls cd. Let's delete this rm-rf just it, then get back ls and python thexrecon.py. Let's run this and enter, and let's check the output. So so and modify the output of the modified script. Okay, let's back. Okay, I hope this is good. Cat subdomains, just it, and okay, with everything is good, as you can see. Let's get back to the continuous of the process of name resolution. Hope this is good. lscd desktop lscd just it lscd live ls nothing here. So cat okay while read domain echo the $sign and domain, and that's it. Let's see what happens if we do this. Okay, while what happened in here while we domain? Do we don't? Okay, as you can see, it's work correctly. Now in here, pipe dnsx -t20, and what happened if we tell him to the continue? We're going to pipe dnsx -t20 and -t20 and pipe anu. As you can see, this is not domain, this is subdomain. So we should note that. So we just in here in this specific case anu to the schoolbear.com and dot live.txt. So sorry. So let's check what happened. In meanwhile, this going to continue. That's what happened. So we check the thexrecon tool, then not this, but we can delete this and continue on hunting in here, and this going to crazy, and maybe tonight it's not the night to read a blog post. Yeah, remove this and later we're going to read blog post. Now we are on the hunting, and this is going to work. And meanwhile, we get back to the Firefox, minimize this, and so in here we're going to in here and see the perp, and okay, again open all the links and see what happened in here. Check the technologies that is developed this specific subdomain. Then, as you can see, is based on React. This is a modern web application and it's cool. What we can do in here, the very first step is to see the source page to see what happened in here, and as you can see, this is the bundle file. That is cool. We can read this and search for any specific domains like HTTP. Okay, no, not this one. Okay, HTTP, it's not helpful. No, HTTPS. Sorry. Okay. production error. As I seen here, this is pre-product that not React router, as you can see. Version. Okay, React router, React router, React router, React router. Okay, nothing found. Oh, at the end, we find something. This is interesting. We arrived to in here. Let's copy that because it's something that we like. Why? I tell you. Okay, oh my gosh. Find for API system goes to sleep. As you can see, this is going to run carefully. And so we arrive to this subdomains that is count of here. And what we should do now, after we do name resolution and find out these subdomains, best way is to do service discovery. I think it's okay for today. Today I'm just check the thexrecon tool and not continue on hunting, just not deep into dorking and just do some name resolution is okay, and we cannot even mm, yeah, let me name resolution with the dnsx tool. It's okay for today. Tomorrow will be work more and more, and I think we need to stick to the plan and continuously do this work to the one discipline that we expect for ourselves. I hope you have best time with your situation. Have a good time. See you tomorrow.